Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to remove news from Windows 11 widgets. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To remove news from the widgets feed in Windows 11, you can customize the content that appears by following these steps. Click on the widgets icon in the taskbar or press Win plus W to open the widgets panel on Windows 11. In the widgets panel, click on the settings gear icon. Scroll down to show or hide feed. In the settings, toggle off the switch next to my feed to disable the news feed. Confirm your selection by clicking turn off. Now, when you access the widgets panel, you won't see news from Windows 11 displayed. This is how you can remove news from the widgets feed in Windows 11 by customizing the widget settings. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.